The second seal update, January 2011. As many of you know, I believe Yahweh has shown me that 9/11 marked the opening of the first seal of Revelation. He began revealing this to me in about 2005. Since then, I have been waiting for the second seal to be opened. The second seal has not yet been opened. When the second seal is opened, Iran will ambush the U.S. military, most likely the U.S. Navy. When that happens, the U.S. will retaliate with overwhelming force, possibly nuclear. This will start World War III and fulfill the second seal prophecy of Revelation. The second seal prophecy will be the next major warning sign for Yahweh's people. 9/11 was the first. When it happens, they will all wake up and remain alert to Bible prophecy for the remainder of the time of the end. The fulfillment of the second seal prophecy will trigger many other time of the end prophecies. A few examples: Daniel chapter 7, Revelation 13, 17, and 18, Jeremiah 50 and 51, Isaiah 13, 14, 47, and 48, Habakkuk chapter 2, and Matthew 25, 1 through 13. As I have been waiting for the second seal to open, Yahweh said to me, "Though it linger, wait for it. It will certainly come to pass, and not delay." Yahweh also reminded me, "Prepare for war. Yahweh has stirred up the kings of the Medes," which is Iran, because his purpose is to destroy Babylon. Yahweh will take vengeance.